Welcome, in front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi K30 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can scan your fingerprint when the screen is totally turned off, like in this case. So right now when I put here the finger, I cannot scan the code. I cannot scan the fingerprint, right? Because we don't have here the animation. But when we tap on the power button and then hold it, right now we are able to do this because here we got, this notification. So if you want to get this this animation on the totally turned off screen, you have to move for the passwords and the security and then simply tap on the fingerprint unlock, input your currently logged method, and next we have to switch right here to show fingerprint icon when the screen is off. So tap right here, and right now we are going to check if it is working, and as you can see right now here we got it. So all you have to do is just to simply put the finger on the fingerprint sensor. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.